The Mercedes C Class W204 from 2007 to 2010 does not come with Bluetooth music streaming feature. Bluetooth music streaming was not available on the W204 until the 2012 model year.
You're going to add Bluetooth by using the Gizmo Guy gadget. Gizmo Guy gadget will allow you to add number 1, streaming music, number 2, talk hands-free, number 3, GPS navigation functionality, all from your smartphone through your older car factory radio without any type of modification, okay? Simply connect my device to your phone, to your car, and pair it with your phone, and you're ready to enjoy all your smartphone features through your older car factory radio without Bluetooth. Let me show you how. To add Bluetooth capability to this Mercedes-Benz, all you got to do is plug in my gadget into your car. All you got to do is plug in my device into the 12-volt charger back here.
Bluetooth connected.
That's it. That's all you had to do to add Bluetooth capability to this Mercedes.
Your 2010 Mercedes-Benz C-Class come with a command system which uses a fiber optic network to connect all the components in the system. This allows for a high-speed, high-quality signal that is not susceptible to interferences. The command system also uses the top touchscreen display and voice control system to make it easier for driver to use. The command system has been in use Mercedes-Benz vehicle since early 2000. It has been updated several times over the years, and it is now one of the most advanced multimedia systems on the market. The command system in 2010 W204 C-Class can be upgraded to include a navigational system. However, this upgrade is not available for all models. The command system also includes a voice control system that allows you to control certain functions of the car, such as radio, navigation, and phone. The 2010 W204 C-Class was the first Mercedes-Benz model to offer Bluetooth connectivity. However, only Bluetooth talk was available in the 2010 model year. Bluetooth music streaming was not available until the 2012 model year.
You do not need a new radio. You do not need to do any sort of modification to this existing radio. You can keep everything exactly the way it is, but add Bluetooth capability to this factory radio right here.
Hey Wesley, this is Thomas. I bought your gadget a month ago for my 2000 Mercedes S430 that's only got 80,000 miles on it. This car is beautiful and it's perfect, except it doesn't have Bluetooth, it doesn't have Pandora, it doesn't have anything. But now, thanks to you, it does. So now I'm hands-free when I'm talking on the phone. Now I got Pandora, I got Sirius XM, I got anything I want. What a great product. Thanks so much.
Gizmo Guy's a Bluetooth connector which works on all European cars, and it definitely works on our one. Very easy to connect. We've got an Android and a Apple phone, and it connects on both of them, works very well on both. The sound is as good as anything through the radios. We're very happy with it.
The phone will be connected to this device by Bluetooth, and then it's transmitting on a specific radio channel, and that you can choose, and then you listen to the music exactly like you have a Bluetooth in your car.
This is a short video of Gizmo Guy's gadget that's installed in my 2005 Mercedes-Benz SL600. Quick view of the install, which is a hidden install, and is basically a permanent install. Once this unit is installed and powered, all you have to do is bring your iPhone into the vehicle and it starts playing instantly.
through your older car factory radio without Bluetooth. You can add Bluetooth capability by using the Gizmo Guy gadget. Simply use the Gizmo Guy gadget, plug it in, and you'll add Bluetooth capability to any old car radio.
Supply is very limited, so please get yours as soon as you can at GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you.